Hello everyone, I am Rose and welcome to Rouge of Rose. Happy Pride Month! Today's video is basically going to be the essential Pride makeup. Today's video, I am creating this look that I came up with about a year ago, which was literally even before I came up with this channel. And I just somehow never got around to do it. So today is the perfect opportunity to bring that imagination into reality, I hope. Here's the idea of the look I'm talking about. Before we go any further, I'm not sure if you guys can hear it or not, but there is constructions going on next door, so I'm really sorry for all the noise. But before we get to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on to get updated every time I post. Now without any further yapping, let's get to the video. Come through pale base. First up, I'm going to take this red shade on a smaller brush. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to use small brush for the entire look. I'm going to take this right close to the brow. Rainbow-like shape. Now under that, I'm going to go in with this orange shade, taking this right under the red, making sure to blend in the edges of red into the orange. Now it's time for yellow, right underneath the orange and blending in the edges of the orange. And I'm supposed to take this in as a highlighter as well. For green, I'm going to use this lime green, taking the green right under the yellow. Now in the picture, I used two different kind of blues. I don't know why, but I'm going to use this one shade of blue here. So I'm going to pick up this bright blue right here. I'm pulling this in a very thin line so the purple liner can go from underneath that. I'm going to stop the blue right here for now and come back to this after the purple liner is done. Pick up this purple on a liner brush, going in with this right under the blue and just drawing out normal liner. Now I'm going back in with the same blue on a liner brush. First up, I'm going to take this very bright lime green, taking this right next to the yellow. Then I'm going to go in with this pink and taking this to the rest of the lower lash line. Lord, that's blinding. I'm wondering if I should extend my inner corner with a white liner or not. So I said no to the inner corner extension with the white liner and yes to a little bit of glitter, and this is my look all complete. I'm so happy that after almost a year I finally got around to do this. Also, I'm really digging this rainbow hair. If you like this video, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also comment down below what kind of makeup look you want to see next. I try to post new videos every week, of course, unless my life is a mess. So to stay updated about my next uploads, make sure to follow me on all of my socials. It's all linked down in the description below. And if you end up recreating this look, then make sure to tag me on my Instagram at rouge.of.rose. Once again, happy Pride Month, and I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember to take care of yourself, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!